Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to T-Mill Junior Insights. And today I'm coming at you with another video today. And we're going to talk about upgrade real quick, because this is the season right now that you're going to be upgraded, chosen ones. So what is upgrade? Upgrade is to raise to a higher standard, and in particular, to improve or by adding or replacing components. So you're about to get a higher level of consciousness. You're about to outthink how you used to think. So you're about to get more creative ideas that's going to catapult you to the next level. So you got to be ready for this. Don't let nobody talk you out of it. Be ready. And most definitely, when you get these ideas, act on them. That's the main thing we got to start doing. We got to act on these ideas because they catapulting you to the next level. And if you want to move in that next level, so you gotta put things into actions. You about to go from 3D to 5D. Some of y'all been running in 4G for so long. Now it's time to get you into 5G so you can get to moving more better and doing things more better while you on that next level. And once your consciousness raise, your intuition is gonna raise, your psychic abilities is gonna raise. You just gotta be ready. I just wanted to do this video real quick because I'm heading out to work, so that's why I'm talking a little fast. And I just wanted to get this out there that you're about to get upgraded, chosen ones. So be ready. Please be ready. You're going from 3D to 5D, from 4G to 5G. And you're about to outthink how you used to think. So people gonna call you, and a narcissist person gonna call you. They're gonna be like, they're trying to get you going or whatever, trying to get on your nerves or whatever. But you're gonna be like, you know what? That's all I can do is pray for you. See, you on all think how you used to think. You thinking differently now. So be ready. And also, your intuition is gonna be clear, and you're gonna have a pure heart. Let me say that. Your pure heart is gonna get cleared out. You're gonna have a pure heart. So all them things that was impure is about to come out. You're about to be pure now. So you're about to get upgraded. Be ready. You take care. I love y'all. One love. Peace.